Hey girl, hey! In today's video, we are doing a fall office reset. I have been super busy these last few weeks and my office looks a mess. So I need to do some cleaning, I need to do some wiping down, I need to do some reorganizing. I want to completely reorganize my video background wall, which has my little keychains and stuff that I sell on it. I want to reorganize that and start bringing in the Christmas stuff because Halloween is almost over. So I'm not going to do Thanksgiving. I'm going to skip right over Thanksgiving and go into Christmas. I also want to unbox some new inventory with y'all, so I'm going to unbox that at the end of the video, so stay tuned to see some of the new pieces that we have in here at Daisie Boutique. First things first, I'm going to do this wall. I'm going to take everything down and reorganize it, so let's do that. This is what the wall currently looks like. This is what it's looking like so far. I'm liking this a lot better. I moved all of my shipping type of stuff and my packaging type of stuff over here to this end, and I'm gonna move my pink toolbox over there, and then I'm gonna move my tape over here. So then I'm gonna have to organize all of this. This is just like extras of things that I need to just put away. Next thing I'm going to do is completely clear the desk of all of this stuff and wipe it down. To do my backdrop, I want to change it from the pink backdrop to my spooky bats one, so let's do that together. If you remember a few vlogs back, I went shopping and I went to Burlington and I picked up this is a Betsy Johnson shower curtain set, but I'm going to use it as a backdrop. So let me take it apart. It came with these shower rod hooks. I think I'm gonna use these and hang it over top of what's already there. Looks like I'm loving that setup. I can't wait to use it in my Vlogtober videos and in my short form content. I cannot wait. I don't really have anything else left to do. I showed you guys the finished product of my current desk setup, and then I also showed you guys me putting up the backdrop. I'm going to do a full separate video of a full desk tour for you guys, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!